It's a perfect weather to make a video on the wiper controls of the Endeavour. So let's hop in. We have this this toggle for wiper controls. If we move it upwards once, the automatic rain sensing wiper will turn on, and further if we move it upwards, it will start the wiper in manual mode. It comes with only two speed controls. We can increase the speed of the wiper through this toggle here, like this. It will work in its full speed, and now it's set on automatic. As you can see, here is the sensor on the outside which detects water and starts the wiper functionality automatically. If we pull it downwards, the wipers will turn off. And now for the water spray, as usual, we have to pull it towards ourselves. Then it will spray water on the windshield and clean the windshield with water and soap. And if you look at the tip of this control, we have controls of the rear wiper. It is set on off. If we push this button, then it will start the rear wiper with auto rain sensing. And if we press it again, then it will start the manual mode and the wiper will keep moving on like this. If we want to turn it off, we need to press it twice, then the rear wiper will turn off completely. Let's have a look at the auto wiper again. We'll push it upwards. It will turn on the rain sensing wipers, and it automatically adjusts according to the speed of the rain. As you can see, it is more faster than before. If you push it up once, then it will turn on the manual mode, and and again pushing upwards will turn on the max speed. And one more functionality of this toggle is if we push it front to the front like this, then it will turn on the rear wiper for a while with soap dispensing. I'm not sure if you see it clearly, but it dispenses soap from there on the left side. So this was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.